Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Assalamu alaikum. This is Ahmed Raza with a new video. The topic for today's discussion is assignment operators in Python. Before we proceed to the topic, we will take the recap of the previous lesson. In the previous video lesson, we have discussed about the use of variables and constants in our programs, the use of input and output statements in our program, operators and their different types, the arithmetic operators and their use in our programs. What we are going to do in this lesson, by the end of this lesson, the student should be able to use the assignment operators in Python programs. This is the overview of the previous lesson. You can see the different type of operators: arithmetic operators, comparison, assignment, logical, bitwise, membership, and identity operators. So arithmetic operators we have discussed already. Today we will discuss about the assignment operators. These were the arithmetic operators: plus used for addition, minus used for subtraction, static sign is used for multiplication, single forward slash is used for division, percentage sign is used for mod, double static sign is used for exponent, and double forward slash is used for floor division. This sign is known as equal to sign in mathematics, but in programming languages, this sign is known as assignment operator. In mathematics, it is a statement of equality. It shows both sides are equal. The equal sign indicates that the expression on both sides have the same value or represent the same object. If A is equal to B, implies that B is equal to A. Yani both are equal. You can exchange the sides. But in case of programming, this is not true. Why? Because the purpose of this sign in all programming languages is different. This we will discuss now. For example, in mathematics, if we are writing 5 equal to 5, implies that 5 is equal to A. This is true in mathematics. But in case of programming, if we are writing A is equal to 5, we cannot write 5 is equal to A. Even we cannot write 5 on left side. Because in programming, variable name is always written on left and values or expression is written always on right. So basically this value is going to store in this variable. But in case of mathematics, this is not like that. If I'm writing B equal to 10, so it means this value 10 is being stored to a variable B. So this is used to assign the value to this variable. In other words, the value on right side is being stored in the variable on left side. So if I'm writing like this, A is equal to A plus 5, in mathematics this is wrong. We cannot write like this. But in programming it is true. Why? First of all, the expression, say the value of A is 10, we can write A equal to A plus 5. Because the value on the right side, the expression on the right side will be evaluated first, then it will be stored to the variable. For example, I'm writing A equal to 10. In mathematics, I can't write A equal to A plus 5. But as we have discussed before in programming, this is not being treated as equal to operator. This is used as assignment operator. Assignment operator is used to assign the values on right side to the variable on the left side. So what we will do here, we can write like 10 plus 5. So this will be 15. In the same way, if I'm writing B, so I can write like this, B plus 5. So what will happen? First of all, the expression on the right side will be evaluated. Like 20, we will put the value of b. We will add 5. So it will become 25. Now we can say this is the value of b. I hope you have understood this. Here you can see the assignment operator. Basically, the assignment operator is only one operator. If we talk about assignment operator, this is only one operator, as you can see on the screen. These are two examples of assignment operator. If you have learned up to this is quite enough to do the programming. But as we have started the discussion about the assignment operator, so I will teach you one additional concept that is known as compound assignment operator. For example, as we have discussed before, we can write like a equal to a plus 5, and what will happen by adding the value of a 10 plus 5, so we can write like this, a equal to 15. So rather than writing this highlighted one, we can write the same thing in another way. Like for example, we can write like this, a plus equal to 5. So both of these will do the same job. This is known as compound assignment operator. Compound assignment operator. Because we have combined two operators here. So I will give you the details of all the compound assignment operators, because in the previous video we have learned about the arithmetic operators. So all of the arithmetic operators can be combined with assignment operator. So we can say apart from this assignment operator, we can have 7 more assignment operators which are termed as compound assignment operator. You can see in the first example, in the first row, assignment operator a equal to 10. In the second row, you can see plus and assignment operator. So this is known as addition assignment. So a plus assignment operator 5, same as a assignment a plus 5. So as we have discussed before, the value of a will be added. The value of a is 10 here, so 10 plus 5. So here the value of a will become 15. In the same way, we have subtraction assignment, multiplication assignment, division assignment, remainder assignment, exponent assignment, and floor division assignment. Here in the example column, you can see, in the first column, you can see the symbols, the symbolic representation of these operators. In the second column, you can see the names, and the third column, you can see the examples. In the third column, in the example column, you can see value 10 has been assigned to variable a on the left. So variable will remain always on left, and values or expression will remain always on right. How we can write the addition assignment, you can see in the second row of example column. How we can write the subtraction assignment in the third row of example column. In the same way, multiplication assignment, division assignment, remainder assignment, exponent assignment, and floor division assignment. Basically, what we are doing here, we are just combining the sign of that operator with the assignment operator. So this will become compound assignment operator. We will see this practically in the idle. So we will go back to the idle so that we can implement these concepts. We have opened the idle already. This program will demonstrate the use of assignment operator. The first line you can see this is red in color and it starts with the hashtag. This we will discuss in later. Basically, for the time being, you can keep this in mind. This is a comment. What are comments? How many types of comments? This we will discuss later. So value 20 is assigned to a variable A. Value 10 is assigned to a variable B. Compound assignment operator. When we combine two operators, so it will become compound assignment operator. So we can write like this, a plus assignment operator 5. So this is similar to a a plus 5 as we have discussed before. The above statement is just like this. Print the value of a after addition. So when we will run this program, you can see initially here the value of a is 20. So what should, and here the value of a is 10. So I'm changing this with 20 to avoid from confusion. So value of a is 20. So when this 5 will be added, so value of a will become 25. So when we will run this program, you can see here the value after addition is 25. We'll close this in the same way. This is known as addition assignment. We can give the heading here, addition assignment. The value of a after addition, 25. Now we'll discuss about the second assignment, which is known as subtraction assignment. The value of b after subtraction, when we'll run, you can see here 25. Although we have taken the value of b as 30, but after subtraction assignment, it has become 25. Now we will proceed to the third assignment, which is multiplication assignment. The value of c after multiplication. So when we will run this program, you can see the value of a after addition is 25. The value we have taken as 20, but after addition, it has become 25. The value of b after subtraction is 25. We have taken initial value of b as 30, but after subtraction, it has become 25. The value of c we have taken as 40, but after multiplication, 45 times 200. In the same way, we will keep on evaluating the other assignment operators. We have taken the value of d as 50 after division assignment. We will run the program and we will see the value. The value of d after division, so it has become 10. We have taken the value as 50, so 50 divided by 5, that is 10. You can see here I have taken the value equal to 53 because if I will take 50 or 55, so it will be completely divided by 5. This is multiple of 5. So I have taken 53. So when we will apply the remainder assignment, 5 10 times 50 and 3 will be the remainder. And you can see here 3 is the remainder. So the value of E after remainder is 3. Now the second last assignment is exponent assignment. In exponent assignment, we have taken the value of f, we have taken the variable f, and we have assigned the value 60. The value of f after exponent assignment. So when we'll run this program, this value is huge. Why? What is the reason? Because 60 will be multiplied with 65 times. To make it simple, I will change the value with 2. So 2 5 times will be 32. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. 2 will be multiplied 5 times. 32. Now we will discuss the last assignment, that is floor division assignment. For floor division assignment, we have taken the value g equal to 53. After floor division assignment, the value we can check on the screen. The value of g after floor division assignment is 10. What is the reason? When we will divide 53 by 5, so 5, 10 times 50, and the remainder will be 3. So answer should be 53 divided by 5, 5 1 time, 5 10 time 50 and 3. We will put the decimal according to the rules of mathematics. We'll put 0 here, 5, 6 times 30. So basically this fractional part, 0.6 will be discarded and 10 will be displayed. See here the answer, the value of G after floor division assignment is 10. We will take 53 and we will divide by 5. 5 10 times 50. So what is the remainder? 3. According to the rules of mathematics, we will put a decimal point here and we will write 0 here. 5 6 times 30. So the answer is 10.6. But this 0.6 will be discarded here and only this 10 will be displayed because we are using here floor division assignment. And this is what displayed on the screen. Now we'll go back to the presentation. In the first row, you can see the assignment operator, and from row 2 to onward, you can see 7 different compound assignment operators. And we have learned the use of these practically as well. What is the summary of this session? This sign is known as equal to sign in mathematics, but in programming languages, this sign is known as assignment operator. In mathematics, both sides are same. In mathematics, both sides are same. We can write like this: if A is equal to B, implies that B is equal to A. But in case of programming, variables are always written on left side and values or expressions are always written on right side. So first of all, the expressions on the right side will be evaluated and then these will be assigned, the final value will be assigned to the variable on left. Thank you very much. I hope you have learned and you have enjoyed the session. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. See you inshallah in next lesson. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.